So me and my friend know it's me. So we're going on a jog, and then his big, beautiful eyes found this place. You're probably thinking in your head, this place is retarded. Stupid. Like, what is this? It's like a place where a rat would hang out, like, Snitch 9. Like, what is this? No, it's stupid. But we're gonna explore. So you come down this way. You'll find lots of mosquitoes, trees, footprint, a ladder, a ladder. Wow! This ladder sucks. Never trust the ladder. Oh no.
Alright, let's go this way. I don't know.
What is this?
Mosquitoes everywhere though.
What are those? What?
So, yeah, I know. See that over there? Yeah.
What's that?
It's like,
Where did it come in?
I don't know.
Look at that in the ground, boys.
Be careful. I think that's poison ivy, bro.
Doing it for the content.
I don't. Oh gosh. Oh my. Just gets weird.
What is that? Trail? What is this?
I don't know. Someone made that. Someone tried to make a tree house and it just failed.
There's a ovium. Not the trail. Follow me.
Whoa, 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 what is it?
Whoa. It's a raccoon from the Infinity War.
Alright, we gotta get out of here. There's mosquitoes. We gotta go.
Oh God. Oh. A ball. Wild is stupid. that?
That was chatting.
No, it wasn't.
Oh!
That was hard.